I love their brushes. I've been using them for years. I use them exclusively for all of my acrylic paintings. Hey there, I'm Ryan. I am a partner of Craftamo. We made this incredible brush set a couple of years ago, and it's a brush set that not only works really well, which is important. You're a painter, you want your brushes to work well, but also puts my mind, puts my heart at ease. It's a cruelty-free brush line. I love that this is a brand that cares. I love that this is a brand that puts ethics along with creating a good quality product. I'm a big fan. I'm going to continue using them. I love how smooth they are. I love the bristle length. I love a lot about this brand. And if you've been considering picking up a brush set, I do consider Craftamo. You can pick up mine if you'd like, but you can also pick up a different one. I've tried quite a few from them and I'm always happy. And with that, you let your creativity run wild with Craftamo.